Okay. Yes, redemption. Man needed to be redeemed back to his originality. There is a particular place we left, which God, out of his mercies, desires that will be restored back to that place. And where we lost is heaven. And the Lord wants to restore man back to heaven. We are not original to earth. We are original to heaven, heavenly places. That's why he sent his only begotten Son, that he will pay the ultimate price for our redemption. Check this. In Egypt, they were not original to Egypt, but original to the promised land. You know what? The Lord needed to, push rams to them. He allowed them to secure lambs and rams to be killed. So that ram that became killed served as what? The mediator, the one that yielded his life an atonement for their redemption, so that they will be redeemed back to their original land. My dear, this lamb must be killed. You must understand the personality of that lamb. It was God giving the people that lost their bearing his only son, so that he will be killed. Because in Revelation 13, it says that he was the lamb that was killed before the foundation of the world. So his death means our what? Redemption. God bringing us back to himself. So if you allow the lamb to be, if you allow yourself to understand the death of Christ, it is as equal as your redemption being made complete. You have anything to say?
His death, the crucifixion, and his resurrection avails you to the redemption plan proper. Trace it back. We lost it in Adam. We lost it in the Garden of Eden. We lost it in Genesis. And so the arrangement was made immediately
in Exodus.
So that as soon as you key in, as soon as there is the blood little on our head, something happens. We are being exited. We are being translated. That's why.
In other words, you can't recognize the death of the lamb and the blood application without leaving Egypt of sin. That place you are not original to.
So it's just the blood that brings about the redemption. Someone made it available. Someone made the blood available, so that as soon as you believe in him, he also loved the word that he gave his only begotten Son, the Lamb, and whosoever believes in him shall not perish but be translated, so that we sit in the heavenly places, back to our original home. Heavenly places far above what used to be above us. That's redemption. That's salvation. Amen.
Please, the redeemed of the Lord shall come back with singing unto Zion. Zion is our originality. Heavenly places is our originality. You can't come to that place without understanding the mystery of his death. The moment you understand it and applying the principle and understanding of that protocol, my dear, you are getting back to the Lord.
You are experiencing it.
You'll be translated from Egypt of sin and from wherever you've been to the heavenly places where we are seated with him forever and ever. And you'll
that's your home.
That's your home.
Getting back home like the prodigal son. Amen.
Where nothing hurts nor destroys. The Lord bless you.
Amen. Just declare you are redeemed of the Lord if you're already redeemed.
According to Psalms 107 verse 2. Let the redeemed of the Lord say so. I am redeemed. I'm redeemed.
I am redeemed. I am redeemed.
Saved and redeemed.
Amen. God bless you.
Amen.